Bioresonance has been around for 40 years or so. The reason we get results is because we assess the root cause of your issue from the very first assessment. So when you come in for your first visit, we screen the most common interferences that cause illness, the most common toxins, molds, parasites, etc. So right away, we can see whether or not there's been an exposure to these common health blocks. And if there is, we can correlate that with the symptoms that you tell us about. We also do a bioresonance body scan, and this allows us to see energetically inside of your entire organ system. So what it does is it looks for areas of stress in the body, and it assesses the level of stress and inflammation in the body. And then it'll also give us an idea of what toxins and what foods and what pathogenic influences or disease factors might be at cause for those areas of stress. So this, together with listening to your concerns and what your health goals are, helps us put together a program of energy clearing and support, and also other supports for healthy life choices. And that's why we have a high success rate. So we always start with what's called basic therapy. Basic therapy is a preparation program. It helps to smooth the flow of energy in the body. So it applies different frequency sweeps to be able to go through all densities of tissue that you have. One time I had an acupuncturist in here, and she could feel what meridians it was running up and down. And then she said she felt like it stopped here. And after about 8 minutes of it running, she said she felt the energy just kind of open and keep running down her legs. And I asked her, like, what do you have here? She said a cesarean scar. So that shows that, like, that's what it, and I didn't tell her ahead of time that it works to undo blockages, but that's the function of the program. Because if you have a scar in here, then the energy will only go circulate in like half of your system. But when we do the basic therapy, it just allows all the energy to move completely over your system, all through the meridians, and then any subsequent program can go through to wherever it needs to go. It's sending preset frequencies for the function that it's supposed to have, but it's also reading from your own body's energy and amplifying that energy in an appropriate way to be able to smooth blockages in your own system. And when it comes to other more specific programs, say liver health or something like that, then what it does is there are specific frequency patterns that are designed just to support the function of a healthy liver. The cells are entrained with the healthy frequencies that are being sent to your system. At the same time, we're reading energy from your own liver, which those oscillations are then amplified and sent back to you. So when that's happening, your cells are communicating more effectively. And over time, they just are entrained to be able to function better on their own, not requiring the support of technology. The energy frequencies do what they're supposed to do. Your body knows how to take them in because of the receptors on your cells. And the process happens very naturally while you're completely relaxing and sleeping. It's simple, it's effective, it's actually even enjoyable, and it doesn't hurt, it doesn't have to be painful, it's not difficult. It's actually the ideal way to heal.